Last month, a contractor called me from a job site, convinced his brand new Super Duty had a payload problem. He'd loaded steel into the bed, checked the screen for a weight reading, and got nothing. He was ready to call the dealer and complain. I asked him one question. Did you check your tail lights? He had no idea what I was talking about. 2 minutes later, he called me back laughing. His truck had been telling him the payload the entire time. He just never looked in the right place. That's what this video is about. 20 things built into your Super Duty right now. Features nobody explains when you drive it off the lot. Some of these will save you an expensive mistake. One of them sounds so ridiculous, most owners don't believe it until they see it. I'm RJ. 20 years working on Fords. Let's get into it. Number 20. The zone lighting most owners never touch. Your Super Duty's exterior lights aren't all or nothing. If your truck has this feature, FordPass lets you light up individual zones around the vehicle, driver's side, passenger side, cargo area, separately, without floodlighting the entire job site and every neighbor within 100 yards. Walking around a dark lot at 5 a.m. and only need to see your tailgate area? Light that zone and leave the rest off. Most owners have never opened the app far enough to find it. Vehicle settings, exterior lighting, zone control. If you're equipped, it's already there. Number 19. Your truck knows its own towing numbers better than the brochure does. The towing and payload numbers you see in Ford's advertising are best case, specific configuration numbers, usually the lightest possible truck with nothing but a driver in it. Your actual Super Duty, with its specific engine, axle ratio, cab, and every option checked at the factory, has its own real capacity, and it can be thousands of pounds different from the number on the window sticker. Pull up the towing information in the vehicle settings menu, and it shows VIN-specific numbers for your exact truck. Most owners quote the number Ford advertised in a commercial. Few ever check what their specific truck sitting in their driveway is actually rated for. Number 18. The truck can check your trailer lights before you ever pull onto the road, and it does the annoying part for you. Available on connected trucks, there's a trailer light check built into the towing menu. Activate it, and the system cycles through your trailer's turn signals, brake lights, and running lights on its own timer. No second person sitting in the cab holding down the brake pedal while you walk around back, squinting at a dark trailer trying to time it right. Most owners still do the old two-person driveway routine every single trip because they've never found this in the menu. Number 17. The heads-up display changes what it shows you based on what you're actually doing. On equipped 2023 and newer Super Duty trucks, the heads-up display isn't just speed and a turn arrow. Switch into tow haul and it shifts to show trailer brake output, gear selection, and engine data relevant to towing. Switch to off-road mode, and it shows pitch, roll, and driveline status instead. Same windshield, completely different information, depending on what you're actually doing with the truck. Most owners glance at it once, assume it's fixed, and never realize it's adapting to their drive mode. Number 16. Upfitters can wire directly into your truck's electronics instead of splicing into anything. If you've ever had a plow, a liftgate, or commercial equipment added to a Super Duty, there's a Ford Pro system that lets upfitters integrate that equipment directly with the truck's existing electronics, without cutting into the factory wiring or turning the underside of your dash into a nest of spliced connections nobody can trace 2 years later. Fewer electrical gremlins down the road, and most owners who bought a truck already upfitted have no idea their equipment is talking to the truck this cleanly, instead of just tapped into a fuse box somewhere behind the kick panel. Number 15. 6 circuits are already run through your truck for equipment you haven't bought yet. The upfitter switches in the overhead console aren't just switches. They're the visible end of wiring that's already routed through the truck to specific locations. Front grille area for lights, rear for a compressor or cargo power, depending on configuration. Add a winch, work lights, a two-way radio, and in a lot of cases, you're connecting to wiring that was already there from the factory, not running new harnesses through the firewall. Most owners see 6 switches and assume they're empty until something's installed. The infrastructure showed up before the accessories did. Number 14. Your diesel can help slow the truck down without you touching the brake pedal. On 6.7 Power Stroke trucks, the exhaust brake restricts exhaust flow to create back pressure that helps slow down the truck on a downgrade, reducing how hard your actual brakes have to work. 3 settings: on, off, and auto, where auto modulates the braking automatically based on how you're using the throttle and brake. Towing down a long grade with a loaded trailer behind you, this is the difference between riding your brakes the whole descent and barely touching them. Most owners with a diesel have never gone looking for this setting. Tow a loaded trailer through the mountains once with this turned on, and you'll wonder how you ever did it without it. Number 13. If your diesel has this option, you decide when the exhaust system cleans itself. Your 6.7 Power Stroke needs to periodically burn off soot trapped in the particulate filter, a process called regeneration. On trucks equipped with operator-commanded regeneration, you're not just waiting for the truck to decide when that happens in the middle of your workday. You can trigger it manually when it's convenient, or, in some configurations, inhibit it entirely if you're parked somewhere that shouldn't get hot, like over dry grass or near flammable material on a job site. This isn't standard on every Super Duty diesel. It depends on configuration, and a lot of owners who do have it have never realized the option exists. Number 12. Your truck can become the generator on a job site. Where it's available, Pro Power on board turns the truck itself into a mobile power source. Standard household outlets running straight off the vehicle. No separate generator to haul, fuel, or maintain. Power tools, job site equipment, even a full camp setup if you're using it that way. Most owners with this feature have used it to charge a phone and never realized what it's actually rated to run. That's a generator you already own and never have to gas up separately. Number 11. The truck can watch your trailer's tires while you're watching the road. Equipped trailer tire monitoring doesn't just watch your truck's tires. It can track pressure and temperature across the trailer too. Up to a dozen tires depending on your trailer configuration. A slow leak on an axle you can't see from the driver's seat shows up on your dash before it becomes a blowout on the highway. Most owners with a big trailer setup have never realized this extends past the truck itself. I'd rather replace a sensor than replace a shredded trailer tire on the shoulder of the interstate. If you want to catch problems before they turn into expensive repairs, grab the free Ford Longevity Checklist at FordScope.com. It'll help you catch the same warning signs I look for before buying or maintaining any Ford. It only takes about 5 minutes. And if it raises any red flags, my full Super Duty buyer and owner's guide is right there too. Every year, every diesel, what to buy and what to walk away from. Number 10. Your truck can tell you your trailer's lights are out before a cop does. On trucks equipped with the connected towing features, the system doesn't just let you check trailer lights manually, it can actively notify you if a trailer brake light, turn signal, or running light goes out. And it can flag a trailer battery problem too, all through the towing menu on the cluster. Most owners find out their trailer's light's dead when someone flags them down on the highway. This tells you before you ever leave the driveway. Number 9. Blind spot monitoring that actually accounts for your trailer's length. Standard blind spot systems are calibrated for the truck alone, which becomes useless the moment you've got a 30-foot gooseneck or fifth wheel trailer behind you covering exactly the blind spot the system was designed to watch. Where it's available, the blind spot system extends its coverage to account for the trailer specifically, watching the zone your actual trailer occupies, not just where the truck's bumper ends. Most owners assume blind spot monitoring stopped working right when they hitched up. It didn't. It adjusted. Number 8. You can see your truck and trailer together from above. Trucks with the full camera package aren't limited to a single rear view. A bird's eye composite view shows the truck, the cargo box, and the trailer together from overhead, built from multiple camera angles around the vehicle and trailer. Backing into a tight spot with a trailer, that overhead perspective tells you things a single rear camera never could. Most owners with this feature only ever use the standard backup view, and never switch to the composite angle sitting right there in the menu. Number 7. The navigation system knows your trailer is attached. Enter your trailer's height, width, and weight, and trucks with this feature route you around exactly the obstacles a loaded trailer can't handle. Low bridges, weight-restricted roads, turns too tight to make without jackknifing. Standard navigation has no idea you're towing anything. This version does, and it changes the route accordingly. Most owners find out about a low bridge the hard way, at the bridge, because they never told the truck they were towing in the first place. Number 6. Your truck can tell your phone if somebody's stealing your trailer. On the newer connected trucks, lock it with a trailer still attached, and the system watches that connection. If somebody starts disconnecting the trailer while the truck's locked and the alarm's armed, FordPass can send an alert straight to your phone. For anybody towing equipment, a camper, or anything expensive enough to be worth stealing, this is the difference between finding out your trailer's gone the next morning and finding out while it's still happening. Number 5. The truck can back itself up to your trailer without you touching the wheel. Pro Trailer Backup Assist lets you steer a trailer in reverse using a dial on the dash, instead of fighting the wheel in the opposite direction of where you actually want the trailer to go, which is the single hardest thing for most people to learn about towing. Turn the dial toward where you want the trailer to end up. The truck handles the actual steering input. You handle the brake and throttle. Most owners who have this system used it once, found it strange, and went back to doing it the hard way instead of trusting it. Number 4. Hitching up doesn't require you to get in and out of the truck anymore. Pro Trailer Hitch Assist lines the truck up to a conventional trailer coupler automatically. Press and hold the button, and the system steers, accelerates, and brakes to bring the hitch ball into position without you climbing in and out to check alignment every few feet. Most owners either don't know this exists or assume it's some kind of gimmick, until they actually use it once with a trailer they're hitching alone. Number 3. You can back up with the tailgate down and still see everything behind you. This one solves a problem that's been genuinely annoying Super Duty owners for years. Drop the tailgate to load a gooseneck or fifth wheel hitch, and your normal backup camera view disappears with it, mounted right where the tailgate used to block your view. Equipped trucks solve this with a dedicated tailgate down camera plus park sensors mounted on top of the tailgate itself, giving you a clear view and audible alerts specifically for backing up with that tailgate hanging open. Most owners who have fought this exact problem on other trucks have no idea Ford actually built a fix for it. Number 2. The truck tells you how to load a trailer correctly before you even start driving. Smart Hitch measures the actual tongue weight of a trailer the moment you connect it, and tells you whether your load is distributed correctly. Too light, too heavy, right in the safe range, all before you pull out of the driveway. Get that number wrong and you're dealing with trailer sway at highway speed for reasons you never diagnosed. Most owners have been guessing at tongue weight their entire towing life. This truck already knows the answer. Number 1, and this is the one I want you to remember most. Equipped Super Duty trucks come with onboard scales that estimate your actual payload in real time as you load the bed. No separate trip to a scale house needed. That part alone is useful. Here's the part that sounds made up, until you see it for yourself. You don't even have to look at the screen. Your tail lights show you. Where this is available, that payload information can display directly through the segments in the LED tail lamps themselves, right there on the back of the truck while you're standing behind it loading. Most owners with this feature have genuinely never noticed, because who looks at their own taillights while they're loading? Ford didn't just build a stronger truck. They built a truck that tells you how to load it correctly. And it's been doing that from the tailgate the entire time. If this video helped you keep a little more money in your pocket and you'd like to support the channel, hit the join button below. I'll see you in the next one.